Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Young Jon, and today I'm gonna teach y'all how to get iOS 15.3, and I'm gonna show y'all why you should get it. So first, I'm gonna go to my settings and then go to General, and I'm gonna tap on About to show y'all what version I'm on right now, and I'm on 15.2.1. And now, to get the update, I'm just going to tap on where it says software update. And you can see right there, 15.3. It's a little bit less than 800 megabytes. I'm going to tap download and install. And then I'm going to tap download only. And it's going to ask me for your passcode. And you're going to hit done once you put it in. It's going to say update requested. And then you just have to wait a couple of seconds. Okay, now it started. And I'm going to tap on that blue link right there where it says, for information on the security content of Apple software update, please visit this website. And I just tapped where it says automatic updates at the top. But I don't use that. You see where it says off? I keep mine off. I prefer to update my phone manually. But now I'm going to tap on that blue link. And it should bring you to this website if you ever want to read what information is on it. I'm just scrolling down. And it'll teach you, like, written out, step by step, how to update it. Right here it says customize automatic updates if you want to, but I already told y'all I don't use that. And it looks like I reached the bottom of the page. So I'm just going to go back home. Go back to my settings. Go back to this page. And I'm going to show y'all that if you tap on that page again, the blue link at the bottom, another page will come up. It took a couple seconds longer than it normally does, which is weird. But you guys will see that it's going to bring up that page that I've shown in my older update videos. The page that shows the release dates for every iOS update for each system. Okay, here we go. Now it loaded. Now you'll see when I start to scroll down, here it is, right here. And I'm going to pinch the screen to zoom out to make it bigger. And look, there you go. I scroll down, January 26th. Is the release dates are on the right, and the version is on the left. And as you can see, it says that 15.3 is only available for iPhone 6s and later, and those other devices below. So if you have an iPhone that's a 6 or older, as of right now, of me releasing this video, you can't get it. And I was just tapping that black home button to show y'all that it doesn't work. That's why I have that little white circle in the left corner of the screen that I used to get the home button. But now I just fast forwarded to when it says to download. I mean, when the download finished. So now I can hit install now. And when you hit install now, your phone's going to say verifying update. And then you just have to wait a couple of seconds while it says verifying update. Once it says verifying update, there's like no way to, there's no turning back. Let's just put it like that. There's no turning back. You can't go back to your home screen. You can't shut the screen off. You just have to wait. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit it with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can keep knowing every time I release a new video. Thank y'all. Alright, so now the phone turned black. The Apple logo comes up. And then you just have to wait a few more seconds. Okay. Now it's starting to install. But I'm going to fast forward to when it finishes installing, because it took a couple of minutes to finish installing, and I don't want to make this video super long. Y'all don't have to see all that installing, this whole bar at the bottom. So I'm going to fast forward to when it finishes updating. Okay, here we go. Your iPhone has been updated. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 15.3. Oh yeah! You put in your passcode. So it looks like the update was successful. Okay. Now I'm back in general. I'm going to tap on about again. And look, software version 15.3. And I'm going to tap on software update, iOS 15.3. Your iOS is up to date. And that's the video, y'all. If y'all found this video helpful, make sure to hit it with a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank y'all for watching. I'm out. Peace.